Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to build a land plowing robot using WitBlox Robotics Kit. I have already uploaded a video of basic assembly of this robot chassis and make a racing car. If you have not watched the video, please do check out in I button or description. Now let's make a land plower robot. First of all, disconnect motor driver blocks and power blocks. And arrange the motor driver blocks as shown in the video. You will need invert blocks and distance blocks for making a land plowing robot. Next, connect power blocks to distance blocks. Distance blocks to right motor driver blocks. Right motor driver blocks to invert blocks. Invert blocks to left motor driver blocks. Now attach them with the help of double tap. And attach the air sensor as shown in the video. This is the switch for land plowing robot. This knob plays a crucial part. Tune the distance sensor such that the distance blocks react when it is on white surface but not on black surface. Make a thick black line using black sellotape on the white chart paper. Now let's see how it works, and when the power is on, your robot will start plowing the land. That's it, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.